Hello friends, this is Sandeep. Welcome to my channel. So today we'll be looking at this charger. This is specifically used to charge the lithium-ion batteries. So we will have a look at this product. We'll unbox it, see what's inside, and we will look at the features also. So let's see. Let's start the unboxing first. Basically, I don't like such kind of packaging. It's very difficult to unbox them, or they should at least give some way to like a like we have kind of a strip and you just pull it off and okay, you can unbox it. Or maybe I don't know the exact way of unboxing it. That could be also the reason. So this is the charger. We'll have a look at it, and at the back side of it is a charging cable. Okay, so this is the actual charger to accommodate different types of batteries, different heights of batteries from smaller to larger. Basically it's a spring mechanism. The model number is ARED1. The input voltage is 5 volt 2 ampere. So it also support three different types of currents, basically 0.5 ampere, 1 ampere, 2 ampere, to charge different types of batteries. It also supports different kinds of protection like short circuit prevention, overcurrent protection, over voltage protection, reverse polarity protection. So basically it's very safe device to use. You charge your batteries. Also it has a microcontroller that basically while charging charges it such a way that it also helps to improve your battery life. That is one good thing about it. Coming to the different types of batteries it can charge. So for lithium ion batteries it can charge whole range of 18650, 16340, 14500, 21700, 26650, 10440. So those kind of batteries you can charge. That you can see over here also. It also compatible with nickel MH and nickel cadmium batteries of type AAA, AA and C. It has two ports. It's a micro USB port and USB type A port. So micro USB port you can use to charge it. So to charging current is basically 0.5 ampere, 1 ampere, 2 ampere, as I said earlier. This USB type A you can use it as a charger. It also comes with this charging cable which you can use to charge your batteries. Have this cable already connected to a charger. Let's see. This is 1 ampere output. So let's see if it starts charging for this battery or not. Okay, as soon as I connected it is showing that it's 1 ampere. Battery icon is flashing to show that it is charging. Coming to this the LCD display. So I'm now currently charging using the 1 ampere charger. Okay, so you can cycle through different values. So first it will show the charging current which is 1 ampere. Okay, this will show the charging voltage which is 0.7 volt. So this is the time. So for time it will show the T at the bottom. It's very minute. I don't think the camera will capture it. So you can cycle through different values using this button. Now let me connect the 2 ampere charger and let's see if it is charging using the 2 ampere. Okay, now I have connected the to a charger which is 2 ampere charger, but as you can see it is charging using only 1 ampere current. So I think it automatically determines based on the battery. So again we will cycle through the values. So this is voltage. It is charging at 4.09 volt. Again it is showing the ampere. When I was looking at the specification, one thing what I found is to charge the lithium ion batteries it will charge at a voltage of around 4.2 volt to 3.65 volts and at the current of 0.5 ampere, 1 ampere, 2 ampere. If you want to charge the other batteries like NiMH or NiCd, which is nickel cadmium, those are charged at 1.5 volt and at the current of 0.5 ampere and 1 ampere. So when you use this as a charger to charge another devices, the output voltage here, basically this is the port, USB type A port, where you will connect the other device. Output voltage is 5 volt at 2 ampere. So that is the charging output when you use this charger to charge the other devices. So as soon as you connect the battery, first of all it will show the voltage. what type of battery you have connected. In this case it is lithium ion battery. To turn on the charger you need to hold this for 2 seconds. As you can see now USB 5 volt it is flashing. So now you can use this as a to charge the another devices. So for example, if I connect this to charge my iPhone, let's see if you can charge my iPhone. Okay, so now you can see it is charging. So I'm charging it using this. So here the charger is giving 5 volt 2 ampere. So it is a multi-purpose charger where you can charge the battery also and charge the devices also. Now to switch off the charging you need to again hold this button for 2 seconds. Now you can see the USB 5 volt indicator is stopped flashing. So that means this device is no more outputting the charging current. I kind of figured out what is NiMH battery. So these are basically the normal rechargeable batteries we use in flash or RC cars and those kind of electronics. So you can, I think, charge these kind of batteries using this charger also. So let's see if we can charge it. Currently it is not showing anything because this should be the completely dead. It was there for long and I haven't using it. So let's see if we can charge it. So I'm plugging it 2.2 ampere charger. Okay, so it is charging it. Here you can see it is showing NiMH. The charging voltage is 1.24, so the ampere is 0.5, voltage is 1.25. age it does take some time to display the value. Now it is showing 1 for the remaining time, but I think it gradually increases and you need to check it after some time. This is the unboxing and review of this Phoenix ARE D1 lithium ion battery charger. I hope that you like this video. Please subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon so that you will get the updates whenever I upload the video. See you in the next video.